How to fix subscription button on Instagram not working. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to simply open up your Instagram application and make sure your internet connection is stable, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. A poor connection can prevent features like subscription button from appearing or working. After that, head back to your home screen and then open up the App Store. In the search bar, you can simply search for Instagram, and once you search for it, simply tap onto it. Now if this blue button says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Once you've done that, head back to your home screen and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, head back to your home screen again, open up your settings. Inside your scroll below, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, search for Instagram and then tap onto it. Tap on Upload App, then tap on Upload App again. Once you have done that, make sure to reinstall the application. Now head back to your home screen and just like that, open up your Instagram again. After that, you can simply try switching to a professional account. Tap on your profile icon, then simply tap on Edit Profile. Scroll below, then simply tap on Switch to Professional Account. Tap on Next, and just like that, you can simply select what describes you the best and then tap on Switch to Professional Account. Tap on OK, and then one switch to subscribe button should now appear. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.